Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we have an exciting mystery to unravel. The story of the 1996 Czech 10 Koruna coin that some claim is worth an astonishing $45.5 million. Is it true? Or is this just another numismatic myth? Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating history, features, and actual value of this rare coin. Rarity common A country Czech Republic period Česká Republic in 1993. 2024 currency Czech Koruna coin type circulation coins denomination 10 korun currency rate 10 CZK equals 0.42 US year 1996 composition copper plated steel edge type reeded shape round alignment metal 0 degrees weight G 7.62 diameter mm 24.5 thickness mm 2.55. Let's begin with the history of the 10 Koruna coin. Issued in 1996 by the Czech Republic, this coin is part of a significant transition period. The Czech Republic had just separated from Slovakia in 1993, and their currency was redesigned to reflect the country's newfound independence. The coin features the majestic design of the Charles Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks in Prague, that it's made of a copper-nickel alloy with a weight of 7.62 grams, a diameter of 24.5 millimeters, and a thickness of 2.55 millimeters. But what makes this coin so special? Let's find out. Now, let's dive into the claim that the 10 Czech Koruna coin from 1996 is worth a jaw-dropping $45.5 million. The buzz started circulating online through social media posts and numismatic forums. Some collectors argued that certain coins from this year had a special error or rarity that made them highly valuable. Could this coin truly be a hidden treasure? Or are we being misled by rumors? We'll examine the truth, but first, let's discuss how coin values are determined. Coin value depends on several key factors. Was this coin produced in limited numbers, or does it have an error? Coins in mint or uncirculated condition fetch higher prices. There's significant interest from collectors. In the case of the 1996 10 Koruna coin, some enthusiasts believe it has a minting error or rare variation. Let's analyze this claim in the next segment. Upon close investigation, it appears there are no documented minting errors or rare variations for the 1996 10 Koruna coin. Experts have verified that this coin was mass-produced, with millions in circulation. So, why the $45.5 million claim? The answer lies in online misinformation and exaggerated auction listings. Sometimes, people misinterpret listing prices as actual sale values. While the 10 Koruna coin is interesting, its realistic value is around $1 to $5, depending on its condition. Don't be disheartened. While the 10 Koruna from 1996 isn't worth millions, there are Czech coins that hold significant value. For example, the 1937 5 Koruna coin, a rare collectible, can fetch thousands of dollars. Special mint sets or coins with documented errors are also highly sought after by collectors. So, there you have it. The truth behind the 1996 Czech 10 Koruna coin. While it's not worth $45.5 million, its story reminds us of the fascinating world of numismatics. If you have any coins you'd like us to evaluate or stories to share, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection.